The show has been really successful. We're very happy with the turnout.
Here last year and there was a great result, so we're back again.
Look, the attendance of the show has been fantastic. The quality of people is good.
We found it really successful.
We're thrilled. It's been a really good show.
We've got great numbers of exhibitors, great numbers of attendees.
I'm able to meet lots of landscapers and designers, putting face to a name with a lot of our customers.
Make those connections and establish relationships.
The concentration of who's here, it's a very worthwhile event to be a part of.
It's really good from an educational standpoint.
They're also giving us tips on how we can do marketing in the future as well.
There's a lot of landscapers and people who knock around gardens a bit. There's a few people here.
It's a great opportunity to showcase what you grow.
Positive response with the range of customers coming through.
It's a great way to introduce ourselves.
After the first year, we had quite a few good leads come through.
It's very hard to get to a bunch of people in one go.
All of our exhibitors are telling us that the people that they're talking to are all really relevant. They're getting great leads.
It's just good to see what's out there.
It's genuine people that are coming through.
You're dealing with the people who are using the product day in, day out.
Good to have everyone under the one roof, the machinery guys and water features.
It's about suppliers connecting with the trade directly and having those interactions and building those business relationships.
It's a really good opportunity.
It's a great show.
Definitely give it a go. It is definitely worth it.